Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. So today I'm going to be showing you what a workday looks like for me being unemployed. Since I am unemployed, I pretty much, I guess right now would be working 6 to 7 days a week. It doesn't really make sense, and for those of you who are new to the channel or didn't watch my last video, pretty much what happened is I was furloughed from my job with the kind of we'll hire you back at some point. I don't really know when. They projected out in January, but they also projected the week before it happened that they wouldn't be letting any more people go, and obviously that didn't happen. So I don't want to count my chickens before they hatch on this one. So I already did get up with her. She has had her breakfast. I took her out to go potty and everything. So now she's in her sleepy time. I'm gonna get up with her though and get my face ready, all that, wash my face, and yeah, get ready, and then I'm gonna start working. So yep, let's see you in a second. Hi guys. Okay, so I finally got up. I am exhausted, but I'm gonna take a shower just because I feel like it's been now the second day and I need to wake up. I have Bailey here who has her toy. I forgot to bring her dog bed back from her parents last time we saw them, so she gets a pillow for the bed to sleep on while I shower. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna do my skincare routine and yeah, get myself ready for the day. So see you in a second. So hey guys, welcome back. So I just got out of the shower, I got dressed. That's kind of my time. I'm not taking you guys along on that. So I'm gonna wash my face right now and pull out my retainers. I don't know if you actually know this, but I have Invisalign retainers. So yeah, let's get going on that. Graham's gonna be really happy with me that I just broke that. So for now, let's just... Oh, hey guys, so I actually forgot to take out my retainer. I'm gonna do that really quick and go grab yogurt, but yeah. Hey guys, so right now I'm about to answer comments. I'm gonna put this tripod down right here so you can see. Wow, this is a really weird angle to try to talk to, but I'm pretty much gonna do that for the next little bit. I caught up to like 15 hours ago. I was busy yesterday and just wasn't able to be... Okay, I know you got your toy. I was busy yesterday, so I wasn't able to be as on comments as I would like to be. Also, when you sleep, then it puts you like an additional 8 hours behind. So yeah, I'm gonna answer the comments right now and yeah, follow along, I guess. Okay, so just finished comments. I think Bailey wants to go outside for a sec, so I'm gonna take her outside and then I will probably start... I'm actually editing a Christmas Q&A. I'm not sure when I'm going to post that, but I'm editing that, so I'll come back and edit. So, yeah. Hey guys, so we are back, and now we're going to start editing the Q&A for Christmas video. So, yeah. So, hey guys, this recording's been going for about an hour now, and I don't see that changing anytime soon, so I'll be back when something changes. All right, bye guys. All right, so Graham and I are about to go take Bailey for a walk. So yeah, see you guys in a second. Hey guys, so we are back from Bailey's walk. So yeah, now time for more editing. So see you in a second. What the heck? See you in a second. Hey guys, so I have actually edited this vlog. It was originally over an hour and a half, and now you can see I have it down to 4 minutes and 28 seconds. So you are probably at about 4 minutes and like 40 seconds right now. I have Miss Bailey on my lap, and I've been editing this. Edited a little bit of the Christmas Q&A, and I also was going over emails. So yeah, I'm about to go feed her lunch and then get myself a little something to eat, then jump back into this. So yeah. So we got the foodies. There you go. Time to get myself some food. have my lunch in bed. It is pasta. I made that second bowl for Graham. He came in here and he ate it. I didn't finish my bowl. I saw that Corpse is live streaming right now, so I'm probably going to watch a little bit of that because I'm a huge Corpse simp. It's definitely really nice, by the way. Kind of working for myself and I guess that whole thing of not actually needing to worry about taking a scheduled lunch break, or for what I was doing specifically, like we had to stagger our lunch breaks around. So it's really nice not to worry about that. And also California has a law, if you have an hourly employee and they work over the 5th hour, you have to pay them like an extra hour or something like that. I can't remember at this exact moment, but it's nice to not have to worry about that. Like I can work 6-7 hours straight and then decide to take a break, or I could work 2 hours and go, okay, I'm going to take a break. And it's nice too, if I just want to eat really quick and be done in 10 minutes and come back, I don't have to worry about it. Or if I need to run to the grocery store and I'm going to be going an hour and 10 minutes, it's not a big deal. So that part of it is really nice. But anyways, I'm going to keep this video going and see you guys in a second. All right, so the live stream just ended and I'm going to go back to editing. I only got to jump on that live stream for like 10 or 15 minutes before it ended, but that's okay. I'll go back to editing the vlog. I'm having a lot of fun with this vlog. It's been so different than my other vlogs because I'm kind of adding a little bit of that TikTok, Stradman, I'm pulling inspiration from a lot of different spots, but mainly TikTok. So let me know what you think of this, because this is so different than anything I've done. And I'm super excited that if you guys like this, to continue going with this style and seeing where I can expand it, because I'm even trying to play with the music and everything. So let me know what you guys think. But for now, my phone's about to die, so I'm going to plug it in and I'm going to go back to editing this vlog that you're watching. All right. Bye, guys. So hi, guys. Yeah, nothing much has really changed since the last time. I kind of had spent all day editing because I have those 2 videos to edit. I've been doing a lot with this current video. You might have noticed different music and different things like that that I was adding in. So this one's taking me a lot longer because I'm figuring out the transitions and everything. But I'm really, really excited for you guys to see it. You guys will literally be seeing this the day after I made it, which is kind of scary. But yeah, Bailey and I are going to go get some snackies from up front. By snacks, I mean I'm going to go grab some treats. So yeah, be right back. All right, so we got our snackies right here. Definitely not healthy, but we're going for it. These are cinnamon flavored, but they aren't like the usual cinnamon ones. They aren't as good, but that's okay. And then we got the little bit. Did you know the word treat? Does that mean I have to get you a treat? Bailey needs a treat? All right, well then give me one. All right, guys, so I've been working on Sit with Bailey, so you guys get to see a little bit of that. Yeah, so she has these sticks, and they're doing okay with her tummy, so I break off a little piece of them for her, and that is her treat. So it's only like that big, but... All right, Bailey, it's right here. It's right here. Okay, sit. Oh, that's a good go. No, you gotta stay seated. Sit. And wait, stay, no, stay, nope, stay, good girl, calm girl. Okay, can we try to stay, nope, sit, stay, nope, stay, no, stay, no, stay, no, stay. Bailey, stay. No, stay. No, stay. Go for it. Bailey, go. No, get the treat now. Bailey, it's right here. Stay. Go, Bailey. Go get the treat. Good job. All right, so that was Bailey training, and I will see you guys in a second. All right, guys, it's been like 10 minutes and she's already knocked out of sleep. So I got back in bed and I started editing. I'm really excited about this video, but I'm also like, oh my goodness, because I'm editing something for tomorrow. I just want to be Like, I want to have it ready the day before, but I can't because I'm vlogging today. I can't just stop vlogging in the middle of the day. So, yeah, I think Graham and I are getting a Christmas tree later for the house, and I'm pretty excited about that. I'm really also just excited about this video in general because, as I said earlier, just it's really different. So I'm pretty excited, but yeah, yeah, that's all I have to say on that one. All right, talk to you guys in a second. All right, hi guys. So I wrapped up editing. Bailey is on my tum-tum, and Graham is bidding on Pokemon cards. I actually bought myself a pack for like $900, and my plan is just to hold it for like 10 to 20 years and see what happens. Right now, what are you bidding on?
Pokemon PSA 10 Gem Mint Venusaur, $19.99 base set holo card, signed. And this card is worth about $2,500 in Gem Mint condition. So, and it's signed. Right now the bidding is $11.25. So I'm planning to, I'm learning eBay to sniper this and just come in last minute with a bid and see if I can win it. So I'm gonna bid. Oh, it's no. I'm pissed. I'm really upset.
For a decent chunk of the day. We are gonna go get a Christmas tree soon, so we're gonna get ourselves wrapped up and ready to go, and I will be back with you guys then. What do you think?
Let's get some lights.
Okay.
Cool.
All right, so we got the Christmas tree in the house, and we don't have any lights or anything to decorate it with besides candy canes, so that will get delayed to another day. Bailey doesn't care. And Ramsey's in a box.
And I'm eating.
Okay, I'll join you in a second. All right, so for the final thing I am doing today is I am scheduling out the rest of the week. So I have everything Monday through Saturday. Some of these days are lighter because I know I'm going to be having, like, for example, these 2 days my sister is going to be coming down. Or some of the days are heavier because I know I have less going on that day. So, yeah. Do you schedule out your whole week?
Look what I just got.
Ooh, very nice.
I do. So
look at that. I'm becoming a professional. I can finally say soon, I actually will not be unemployed. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Cool.
All right. So with that said, don't forget to smash the YouTube algorithm for the like button. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was very, very highly requested. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the smash button if you want to see more. I really enjoyed doing this style of vlogs. Let me know if you enjoyed it too. And with that said, don't forget to end